Welcome to Tim Hortons. May I take your order?
Hello.
So Daddy,
Yeah.
what are the pike in the Ottawa River like?
The Ottawa River. Millions and millions of gallons of water flowing through some of the best rapids in the world. Easy, fun, warm water, no rocks. Well, just a few rocks. And the pike are big. I remember when I was a child and I first saw the Ottawa. He did it again. I fell in love. She was beautiful. She was strong. She was everything a man could want in a river. And I spent my life dedicated. Wake up!
So here we are, just after Calumet Island, and basically this whole river rises many, many feet higher, upwards of 20 feet. And when it gets really high, this is a big river coming through here. But when it goes low, it landlocks into a lake system. And that's where we're going, right in there. Woohoo! It's a recessed lake. It's actually a landlocked lake up in the Ottawa. I call it Pike Lake because there's lots of pike here. Pike are unique creatures. They can either hit top water, which means on the top of the water. We've got some soft baits for that, so they're weedless and you can pop along. So we're going to set one up like that, a little frog. But we're going to use my weapon of choice, which is a Mepps Cyclops. There's many colors. I like the gold, but we're going to use the silver one today because it's flashy. And pike will hit for two reasons. One, they're hungry. Two, they're just ornery. So these things tend to make a little cool, wobbly, flashy kind of effect in the water. And the pike will come out from their hiding spots and they'll hit it, boom, once. Then you wait and you slowly keep reeling in. If you jerk it, you're never going to catch the pike. But if you reel in at the same speed, the pike goes, hey, wait a minute, you didn't run away. And then it comes out and smashes it. It's going to be awesome. Anyways, Emily, this is your first weapon of choice today. Okay. First thing I do is I take the barbs off. Makes it a little harder to catch, but it makes it really easy for you to take the fish off the hook. So I always go barbless. So Emily, what you want to do is you want to cast just in front of the weeds. You want that lure to drop right in front of the weeds and immediately start a nice slow, even spinning retrieval towards your boat, okay? Try to drop it right at the weeds if you can, right at those lily pads. Go. Seriously? Nowhere near the weed? Seriously? Perfect. That's a good one. Nice little pike.
Yeah.
Okay, so keep it that length. What you got there, Emily?
A pike. Tiny one. About half a foot.
Right. Why are you eating the pike? jumping on the ice. Vermont Fly Guy tie. It's a beautiful thing, beautiful pattern for pike. This guy here, the important thing about the pike is the way you release them. Luckily, he just had a little bit of a lip hook. But releasing them basically is you're putting them in the water, and a lot of people pull the fish backwards so the water goes through the gills from the back on, but that's wrong. What you're trying to do is you're trying to push the fish through the water. So sometimes what I do is I paddle. Now this one's not too distressed, so she'll go real fast. All of a sudden the fish will wake up in your hands and start to move. Gentle forward motion will help with that. I'm going to move him forward. Soon he'll be off. Grab his tail. There he goes.